So over here, you can see that I have a Python programming code right here, which actually lets us select an operation right here to add, subtract, multiply, and divide right here. So I can enter the first number and then I can go ahead and enter the second number and then it provides the result. So let's say what I want to do is I want this exact program, but in a different programming language. So I already have this code in Python, as you can see right here. So let me just press Ctrl A and press Ctrl C and go to DeepSeek right here. So this is a code that I actually generated with DeepSeek itself. So now I'm going to go around onto new chat and paste this particular code that I just copied. And now I'm simply going to go around and at the end say rewrite this code as a C programming code right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead and hit the send button, then it'll analyze this particular Python code right here, and now it'll convert it out into a C programming code, as you can see right here. So if you just know one programming language, then you can simply go ahead and convert it out into different programming languages, as you can see right here, just like this. So it simply converted it out, as you can see right here, just like this in C. So you just need to go ahead and wait for it to actually get completed. And once that is done, you can copy out the code and go to the C compiler of your choice. So I'm using an online C compiler, so I'm just going to go ahead and paste it and then hit the run button right here. And you can see this exact code being run with C program. So I can go ahead and let's just choose 2 again for subtract. So enter out the first number right here and then enter out the second number right here. And then you can see the exact result actually pops up. So I can say yes to run this choice again. So I'm just going to go ahead and press 1 to add, enter first number, then enter second number, and that is what you have. So press no, and the program concludes just like that. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize DeepSeek for programming code conversion as well. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.